Hey everyone, FNAF Boy 3D here, and I finally got all four of those beanbag plushies from KFC from 1998. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we should start off with probably one of the coolest plushies of all time, Zubat. This Zubat is very blue, like, in a good way. When you probably film it at night, it'll probably look dark blue. If you film it at day, it'll look regular blue. I really love the stitching on the wings, as you can see here. It's very well done. Something I wish that they could have done was find a way to not show the sewed teeth on here. As you can see, there's a little bit of a thread right here. If they found a way to get rid of that, that would have been great, as always. But this is a great plushie. As you can see, this is Zubat, and he is number 41. The next one we should talk about is a great one. So, because Zubat doesn't have any eyes, it wouldn't need any eyes, mostly because of its design. But if it did have eyes, it would probably have these eyes. These butted eyes are pretty unique. The only problem I have is with the snout right here. They could have made this in, I would probably say, it's one part, but that's just me. But if you put it far away, actually, if I brought it up, it kind of looks kind of bad. So I'll probably have to put it down like this. Also with stitching, I do not like this part right here. Looks a little weird. Everything else looks pretty good. As you can see, he's not actually dirty, that's just the lighting. But it is pretty cool. Alright, next one. It is my least favorite, but that doesn't mean it's bad. It means it's just, these are very good plushies. Vulpix. Actually, funny enough, this is actually the most stuffed plushie out of the quad. Out of the four of them. The tail is very well done for 1998, along with its little fur right there. I think these hooves are great, along with the Vulpix. This Vulpix is pretty nice, as you can see here. The stitching has done very well for themselves, and yeah, I love this part right here, including this part right here. You know what? Just because Vulpix is my least favorite Pokemon, it doesn't mean this plushie's bad. Hell, I think this is probably the best one, my favorite Vulpix design, and this probably could be the best, not because of its accuracies, it's because of how it looks. It looks amazing, it's well done, and it's very well sewn. I really can't wait to make some plush videos with these. Dratini's number is shown right here. Pokemon number 147. It is so cool to see that. Vulpix is number 37. Sadly, this is not in great condition, but it doesn't matter. I'm not going to sell these. I just want to buy these so I can make some plush videos with these. And finally, the one we've all been waiting for. Seal. Let's get this out of the way. The only problem I have is the tongue. It looks like a lip. It looks like someone's lips. But it's fine. Also, see, here's Seal's number 1, 86, or 98 if you flip backwards. Let's get off with the basics. I wish there was more stuffing in a lot of these guys, but it doesn't matter. These were technically made with beanbags, so yeah, you get what you get. But these are very good plushies. As you can see, little beanbag guy, but yeah, it looks amazing. The button eyes are always perfect, and I really like this, but Vulpix's eyes are very different from the rest. As you can see from the previous one, Dratini, and the one we're talking about right now, Seal, not too bad though, he has no eyes. You can see that it's very different compared to the others, and I kind of like it a little bit more. But Seal is by far my favorite, along with Zubat as a close second. It is just very cool, and it's probably one of the reasons why I picked up these guys in the first place, but I still love you, Dratini. Personally, I think Seal is probably the best one, in my opinion. Well, my favorite, at least. But yeah, that's basically it. about it. Love the little tongue if you don't look at it. The weird angle of the teeth. I like that's actually not stitched problematic. But yeah, that's perfect. Overall, I give Zubat a 9, a 9.8, a 9, and an 8.9. Overall, this is a 9.1 out of 10. Great job, guys. And yeah, this is FNAF Way 3D. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. See you guys later.